Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift to energies, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Five of Wands. So, marami mga conflicts na nangyari. Pagtatalo, komisyon, gulo. Four of Swords. Kaya ngayon you're still healing from this situation na nangyari in the past. Ace of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. Ten of Cups. Knight of Cups. And the Three of Cups. Two of Cups bottom card. Pero itong taong ito still may kumakapit pa rin sa connection na to. Ayaw pa rin bumitaw. And gusto nang magkaayos, magkausap ulit. For the family, lalo na kung kasal kayo, may pamilya kayo, may anak kayo. So, may gusto ng reconciliation, magkabate, magkaayos. For the sake of the family. Tide. So, nakatali pa rin siya sa'yo eh. Pencil, kahit anong gawin niya, hindi niya babitawan kasi nakatali pa rin siya sa'yo. Pencil, diamond, target, ring, and butterfly. So, kung twin flames ko, it's the right time. Naghihintay ng right time. So, tingnan natin. Kasi hindi siya makatingin sa iba eh. Sa'yo lang siya nakafocus. Hindi siya makatingin sa iba. Ikaw lang ang gusto nitong taong to. So, with this butterfly, it's about spiritual awakening, big changes, malaking pagbabago ang nagaganap sa kanya ngayon. Take Back Your Power by Archangel Raziel. Use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings in your life. So, tingnan natin. Messages natin dito. You're my strength. So, sa kanya sa'yo siya kumukuha ng lakas ngayon. Moving forward, you're so sweet and caring. You're so hot and sexy. Stubborn but practical. I have fear and anxiety. Willing to take the risk. So, ngayon willing na siya. Being defensive. Pero defensive pa rin. Mukhang hindi pa rin matanggap ng iba na siya yung dito. Kailangan humingi ng tawad, mag-sorry para sa reconciliation na to. I hide behind material things. It was my fault but I blamed you. Ikaw pa yung sinisi niya. It's time for me to heal now. I left when I saw you with someone, so mayroon nagkaroon din ng third party. I remember every detail of that day. I feel you leaving me behind. You speak to me through music and I lost myself for a little while. I love you unconditionally, bottom card. Kuha tayo ng initials. P. N. F. O. M. U. X. Z. C. No strings attached. So, maring realize niya na yung taong pinili niya no strings attached sila nun. Prophecy. And chaser. Kaya naghahabol to sa'yo ngayon. Kaya gusto makipag-ayos. Tingnan natin general signs and messages. March. Fantastic friend, Cold City. Athletic, Lake. Perfect smile. June, National Capital Region. May, confusing. Green-minded. So, marami sa inyo kasi confused kung bibigyan ba siya ng second chance or moving on na. Caring. Skin tag, animal lover. Sword air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Killer smile, August. December. Karmic, kasi ayan may mga natali din sa karmic. Party animal, Pisces. Has a dirty sense of humor. Beautiful. Soon, ayan. I-cut natin dyan. Last card. Soon. May mga plano yan. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.